Hello there. I'm Chemistry, and welcome to K. Lauren Academy. Have you ever thought about the possibility that a certain type of property might depend on how much matter you have? Well, say hello to the properties of matter. Do you know what is matter? If not, don't worry, we have got you covered. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Matter can have both physical and chemical properties. Properties of matter include chemical properties and physical properties. How do you define chemical properties? It is the ability or inability of a substance to combine with or change into one or more other substances. It is also the ability of a substance to undergo a chemical reaction. Examples of chemical properties may include charcoal burning in air, iron rust, and the composition of wood. Under chemical properties, we have reactivity. Reactivity is the ability for a substance to react with one another. When a chemical change takes place, the original substance is converted into one or more new substances which have different physical and chemical properties. Under chemical properties, we also have flammability. Flammability is the ability of a type of matter to burn easily. In chemical properties, consider terms such as burn, rot, rust, decompose, ferment, explode, oxidize, corrode, grow, precipitate, gas formation, and digest. What do you mean by physical properties? Physical properties is a characteristic that can be observed or measured without changing the identity or composition of the substance. Examples of physical properties may include color, odor, taste, size, physical state, whether it is liquid, gas, or solid, the boiling point, the melting point, and the density. Intrinsic properties depend on the type of matter, not the amount present. Under intrinsic properties, we have malleability. Malleability is the ability of a substance to be deformed or molded into a different shape. Electrical conductivity is the measure of the amount of electrical current a material can carry, or its ability to carry a current. We also have the density. Density is the amount of matter in a given space or volume. Hardness is the relative resistance of a mineral to scratching, denting, or bending. It is measured by Mohs scale. The freezing point is the temperature at which a liquid becomes a solid, and the melting point is the temperature at which the solid and liquid forms of a pure substance that can exist in equilibrium. We also have solubility. Solubility is the ability for a given substance, the solute, to dissolve in a solvent. Luster describes how a mineral appears to reflect light, and how brilliant or dull the material is. The boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid equals to the external pressure surrounding the liquid. And the magnetic properties, when placed in an external magnetic, it is when a magnetic field is applied to a material with magnetic susceptibility. Extrinsic properties depend on the amount of matter in the sample. Extrinsic properties include mass, volume, and size. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object, usually measured in grams, g, or kilograms, kg. Volume is the amount of space an object takes up, and size is one of a series of graded measurements, which may come in the form of small, medium, or large. Thanks for watching, and keep the fire burning to fuel your insatiable curiosity as ever.